Welcome back to Tecnologías. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can improve the Roblox ping. The first thing we should do when you're using Roblox is to close all other pages that are getting in the way, since they will slow the internet a lot, as well as turn off if you have active VPN. What we're going to do is go to the Windows now, and here we can see computer in consuming data in manage. Here we can see this. The Chrome is consuming a lot of memory and it also slows down the internet. So I advise you to close other that you have under are consuming in the background, so then you can play correctly. And another of the things that may be affecting your device is here some administrator or some antivirus. Okay, if you have in your advice, you can see here all and some security device and did it completely okay, completely to execute in recession. So that is the background is not consuming. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to tell us what you did not like here in Tecnologías.